So how to start your recording your laptop screen with OBS Studio. This program is the best one to record in your laptop, okay, for tutorial or whatever your stream. Actually, this program is for stream, okay, for Twitch, or YouTube, or Facebook, but you can use to record in your laptop. So actually, to download this. So first of all, you need to go on Google and you write OBS Studio. Okay, click on the first one. So if you have a Windows, okay, 10 and 11, Mac OS, Linux, just what you have, and you click here. Okay, and click here. Look, start shutdown. Okay, already I have in my laptop. Okay, so double click. Okay, and now it's open. Okay, so now if you want to change the language, okay, setting, okay, and you click on your language, okay, and you click apply and okay. So if you want to record in your laptop, you go in this section source and you're going to delete this and you're going to click here and you're going to display capture. Okay, so you click here, name, this is this one. Okay, so this is the resolution videos. Okay, if you have high quality or medium or light, so just I have a one option. Okay, and click OK. Okay, open here and you click here to start recording. Okay, here if you want to stream on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok, or here to start recording, just click here, put down, and you go in and you're doing your tutorial, okay, or recording your laptop actually. So just few minutes, okay, and if you want to stop this, go into stop. Okay, so now where you can find your videos. So go on setting, push out, look, this is a recording and this is, click here, this is where you can find this video you are recording on your laptop. So actually go in here, look, this is today. Okay, I'm gonna play with VLC here, put down and go in. So just doing your tutorial, this is okay, for recording beautiful, but don't forget to subscribe, like and share. This is your channel Passive Income. Bye bye.